Capercaillie, a bird that has an intimate relationship with the Scots pine. They live here, breed here, and even feed on the tree's needles when other fruits and berries wither away. Common and widespread in Scotland, their stronghold is here in the vast pine forest. The male bird's bizarre popping call is summoning the females to the lek. Here, in a forest clearing, they'll compete for the right to mate exclusively with all the hen capercaillies. Weighing in at 9 pounds, this young bird is in superb condition. But an older male is up for the fight too. It's time to do battle. They're evenly matched. It's simply a question of who gives way first. The younger male is on the run, handing victory to the dominant older bird. Monarch of the glen, he's retained mastery of the lek. All the females are his.